Kani Gadega Patisi TV.
Deputy Commissioner ka East Khasil Suba Peter S. Dekhar menta kasngi khat sautrek rumpang ulapli pajba ya state level youth leadership and capacity building for rural youth community and national integration gam kabla pelong daka Nongkram Youth Development Association NYDA kani kijing ai jing kai ki samla kadi ka basaw sngi pala penlong ya ka hapo youth hostel hakini ki saw sngi kindon kijing ai jing kai hakibabun kiliang nakabenta ki samla khamtam e abai dei perkabenta jongki panlong nong yalam kajing tep alor kumno bakila banlong kinong yalam kibala ban penbet yelade hakikam bakitrei koma ki sengtre monsngoba ne hakikam snong kamthau pat kiwe udisi haba ajengkran ulaong hadien kajing yo jing kai nakani ka training kadei ka benta pat jongki pandit sam yaki khubor ki bakila yo pdyang chiki samla po snong hapo tau.
And this is the best platform where you can always interact, know each other in the first place, and try to understand the most important values in life, where you can help others also when you come out of this 5-day program from here, where you go to your own respective places, and whether you can also organize in the same manner something of this nature, where you can help others also to build up what they call it, that capacity building. So I believe that the 5-day program would enhance you and give you all the energy, all the enthusiasm to rise up and to be on your feet and to be able to help others also. Our guest of honor, Dr. Salam Singh, has spoken a lot about youth front. How as a youth you should be able to take care of many things.
Kani Gadega Patisi TV.